Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can be able to transfer Coinbase to Cash App. It's not something difficult. I'm going to share with you all the steps that you need in order to transfer from Coinbase to Cash App. So now I noted all the steps that you need. So the first thing that you need to do, which is access your Coinbase account and then navigate to your Coinbase wallet. So once you are logged in, go to your cryptocurrency wallet, which is typically found under a portfolio or accounts tab in your Coinbase dashboard. Here is where your various cryptocurrency holdings are stored. For the third step, which is select Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency, and then for the fourth step, which is click the send or withdraw button. For Bitcoin, locate the send or withdraw button and click on it, and this action initiates the process of sending your Bitcoin from Coinbase. For the fifth step, which is enter your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address and then specify the amount you want to transfer. So here you need to enter the amount of crypto that you want to transfer, and after doing this you need to review these transaction details if you made a mistake, because maybe you made a mistake. So try to review the transaction details carefully, then try to set transaction fee and then verify your identity if it's required, because sometimes you forget to verify your identity, so they're gonna ask you to verify it first in order to complete this transaction. So if they require to verify your identity, try to verify it. It's easy. They're gonna only ask you to upload your ID document, enter some info about you, and that's it. And then confirm the transaction, and like this you just did it. You just transferred from Coinbase to Cash App. As I told you, it's not something difficult. Just try to follow all the steps that I shared with you in this video, and you're going to be able to transfer from Coinbase to Cash App. I hope this video was helpful to you, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.